Hello po, kumusta ang lahat? Muli, ito po si Ate Ai. And ang random lang. So we're going to talk about the dreams. Yeah, lahat naman tayo may mga dreams in life and others. Good for you. Thank God. Yung nakabot mo na yung mga dreams mo. Until now, sa isang katulad ko, which is, I guess, my dreams is kind of fancy. Yeah, and nung bata ka, way back then in college, nag-aral ako, wala, di ko alam. Hindi ko ma-picture out kung ano ako in the future. Kasi ang hirap ng buhay. Ang hirap talaga ng buhay. And I'm so blessed sa aking mama po na naghirap talaga para makapag-aral ako ng college. Nagtitinda lang kami sa palengke. Makapag-aral lang talaga. But way back, uh, I was third year college when one of my classmates po ay, I'm so inspired by her because self-supporting kasi siya, pero matalino, good in communication, talagang ang galing niya, magaling umanta, may talent, and kaya nga, dami niya yung racket, tas, one day narinig na lang namin siya sa isang radio station. My God, naging DJ siya doon. At third year college siya. I realized, my God, yan ang gusto kong maging in the future. I love music, tas yung magsasalita on the air. So, dun ko nakita, oh my God, maybe I could see myself. Gusto mo, hobby mo, tas trabaho mo pa, oh my God. Now, I'm not complaining. I'm blessed with the work that I have in the field of teaching. So, being having this kind of platform to speak, not just to speak about anything else, but to speak before the Lord is hindi ko maisip na magagawa ko to. I mean, my God, who am I? But when God said, be a messenger, be uh, a light to others who needs some, inspiration, reflection on themselves. My life, ang dami kong struggles, but then, God is so good, no? Ang mga blessings na binigay sa akin, siguro part of my journey na naging part ako ng isang community. While doon ko naging ang wisdom personally also as well. That's why I could speak and thank God for giving this opportunity to be part of the journey to speak before you, Lord. And yeah, hindi pa rin nawala sa akin. If you want a chance to be on air, oh my God, that's my greatest dream. Talagang, I don't know where my life would lead to. God sees your hearts, what's your desire, and what makes you a more better person. If that path will be your journey, and it will also help, I guess, to have that kind of na mas lalo ko pang ma-share about God's greatness and God's perfect time. Yeah, and I thank God for this journey. I can't imagine myself doing, maggagawa ng mga videos about, sharing God's love. Kasi, way back then, I'm so down, so dark, you know. But last year also was my, uh, the journey was tough, personally. Love life, char. It was that year was I was so broken, and last year was so shattered. But when life so dark, your faith or shaking, it pushes to your limit. To it's the time also na God will lead you to rejection, where really redirect you. Just allow God your journey. You cry, yes, you need to undergo the process of saktan ka, and then allow God to heal you. then it will lead you to something. Grabe, I become a fan of SB19 kasi dun din ako na-inspire sa kanila to be, yeah, to write, to more expressive with myself, part of my life. So, and you, I mean, if given a chance, if God led you to, this kind of ministry, this kind of journey to speak on Him, tinawag ka to be a messenger of God's love. Let God lead your life. God will move your life, definitely. For that, we God praise. Thank you. God bless.